Where's the elephant, Max?
Oh, you got it.
Woo! Tiger.
Woohoo!
Parrot. Monkey. Your time is 26 seconds. Great job. Close your eyes. Player 1,
Okay.
hide the target.
Okay, let's hide him.
Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here we come. Who says?
Who says rawr?
This is rare. Is it a tiger? It's a tiger.
Not that one.
You don't like that song?
Tiger.
Get the tiger quick, Tigo. You like the other song? This is a good one though. You like the other song? Okay, we'll do the other song. Okay.
Are you ready to scramble? Choose game. Animal, scramble. Group, animal, scramble. Treasure hunt. It's treasure hunt time. Press go to begin. Player 1, close your eyes. Player 2, hide the target.
One more time.
I'll count
Don't
to
touch.
10.
Count to 10.
1, 2,
Come back.
3,
3,
4,
4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here we come. Elephant.
Elephant. Go, Diego. Find the elephant. Oh.
Tiger. Parrot.
Where is it? On the ambulance, Max. Good job.
Monkey.
Say, yay!
Time is 30 seconds. Great job.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
Player 2.
Can you say
close
thank
your
you,
eyes.
Uncle Steve?
Player 1, hide the target. I'll count to
Say
10.
thank you, Auntie Ellen.
2,
Say thank you, Auntie Ellen.
3, 4,
Say Ellen, thank you, Ellen.
6, 7, 8,
Say bye bye.
9, 10. Ready or not, here we come. Monkey.